Okay, since I've been invited to another art sale this weekend where I sold my pumpkins for the Pumpkin Fest, I got invited again 2 days ago. I'm sold out of my Christmas tree, so what I did yesterday all day is carved Christmas trees with my chainsaw. So I'm gonna go back there again today. So my buddy Rob Vreeland on Facebook and YouTube asked me to film something. So I'm going to take this eagle head there. This is what I'm doing for the 10,000 giveaway. This isn't going to be the giveaway video. Oh, my life is such a mess right now. And I'm just going to shape this out quickly when I'm carving the trees, just to give me a break away from the trees. Silly little trees. And I'm going to be using this KUTZALL shaping disc on my grinder, guys. Show you how well these things work. This is what is this, an Extreme coarse bit. But yeah, I'll show you how well these things work. So I can round everything off on this eagle head before I bring it back to my place and do the detail work and stuff on it. Clean it all up. So that's what we're gonna do today. Okay, so I'm here at my carving station. See, guys, Christmas trees, chainsaw. People can wrap lights around them. You know, look at this big one. So, I'm gonna make a real fast time-lapse video of carving this chainsaw tree on this video. It's gonna, I don't know what it's gonna time-lapse, but I got my brand new KUTZALL shaping disc. Extreme, I think this is coarse. You guys, when you use these discs, wear your gloves, man. But I'll talk more about that when I get to carving this eagle head. And like, it's just going to be a quick shaping thing. I'm not going to be doing any detail carving. I got this one. This is my older disc. I burnt it. You know, it's good to burn your discs, all the wood that's stuck in there, when they're not on your grinder, because if they're on your grinder and you burn them, the heats can transfer to the bearings inside your grinder. So if you guys are going to burn your little bits, burn them off of your tool, like your Dremels. Take them right off and burn them. Some people soak them in solution too. I've done that, but I just don't have time. Okay, so I'm just going to do this tree here with this MS 193 rear handle. It's just got a little pruning bar on here, guys. So, and a little, I think it's a Pico chain. And yeah, so I might have to turn it around so you guys see better light, because I don't know if you're going to be able to see the carving when I'm doing it. Yeah, I'll have to turn this whole thing around. Okay, enough talking. Okay, guys, one other thing before I start filming: always have your safety gloves, steel toe boots, chainsaw pants or chaps that are cut resistant for a bit. Ear protection and eye protection, and carving helmet if you want to wear it. Yeah, I don't know what happened when I was carving. It stopped filming. That's why I don't do too many chainsaw carving videos. But there you guys can see. Okay, it's all done. Now I'm going to burn it, wearing my respirator, and I'm going to sand it after I burn it. And you'll see it really pop. I'll try and film that. Hopefully that works. Okay guys, I don't know why this thing keeps on shutting down when I'm recording, but it does. So there you go. There's your Christmas tree. Guys, I'm no pro carver. I'm no pro chainsaw carver either. Be safe, guys. That's the most important. But you know what I mean? These things, I don't know, this is probably half an hour carving this for me. Let's get a better look at it. I'm not going to say on here how much I sell them for, but that's the one I just did. So you guys, you know, when you sell your stuff, you also have to remember all the tools you have to buy, all the burs you have to buy, all the stuff you have to buy. You have to get the wood. I had to go to Vancouver Island to get this wood to make the trees. You know what I mean? So don't forget that stuff. Like, you know, when you're first starting, I say give away your pieces for free, but I don't know, don't forget about all the tools and stuff you have to buy once you start getting a name for yourself and people are starting to want your stuff. You know, don't charge too much, but I don't know. Just never sell yourself short, guys. That's all I'm trying to say, I guess. I don't know. 4 more trees to go, and then I'll start working on that eagle head. Okay, this is what you do when you're getting tired of carving small Christmas trees, guys. You carve a super tree. This sucker's 4.5 feet tall. I call it the super tree, super Christmas tree. Yeah. Woo. Okay, the super tree is finished. All right. Let's show you the size of the super tree. There's a little tree up against it, see? The super tree is finished. Okay, so now this rubber beak, if you're watching this video, I don't think I'm going to have a chance to get to the eagle head today. My phone's not recording properly anyways. So it always stops when I'm recording, like I went around this. But I am going to use my this KUTZALL bit, guys. Wear your gloves when you use these bit and hold your tools good, strong, guys. These things are definitely skin rippers, that's for sure. I haven't been hit with this yet, but I always wear my leather gloves when I'm using this. And you can go to the link below for KUTZALL. Use the code CFUSE to save yourself 5%. You guys, don't use those chainsaw discs. That's what happened to Mark DeBlanc. How you doing, Mark? I hope you're healing good. Use these kind of discs, guys, for shaping. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. This big tree needs a base. Okay? Like my small trees. I hate doing this kind of stuff, fitting things together. I'm not a builder. But anyways, I got to make this base. This is yellow cedar. I got to make this base slot into that bottom of that tree. So I'll do some shaping with this disc and show you guys how it works if you've never used it. It saves a lot of time. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'll do now. I hate doing this kind of stuff. Okay, so I got that slotted in. Not a bad fit, I'd say so myself. Just like my small trees, guys. If I can get this out, hold on. I don't know why my phone keeps shutting off, but anyways, I got that slotted out and that slotted out and fits in there good, so this can be a self-standing tree. Sign it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some lines. Where's a pen? I'm just going to put some fancy lines coming off here, so it kind of look like a tree stump. And I'm going to do that, you see, like all rooting off here. Okay, so now I'm going to use this grinder, guys. I'm going to put my dust mask on, definitely dust mask, my leather gloves on, and I'm going to carve this. You guys can see I got that all carved in now. Okay, just a light carving, but you guys, these are made for chainsaw carving artists or any wood artist to shape wood. Okay, not those chainsaw discs, guys. Fork out a couple extra bucks and get yourself one of these. Okay, look at the teeth on these. These things are really aggressive, but they won't cut off your leg or your fingers. They'll rip your skin. So what I'm going to do now, let's get my torch going here and give this base a good solid burn. You can see I didn't go too close where the tree sits because it sits nice and tight and I don't want to ruin that. So anyways, I'll finish burning this. Nice and deep burners on this stuff, guys. I'll finish burning this, and then I'll hit it with my flap sander. Same kind of deal that I use for my Dremels, and then I'll be back. There you go, Rob. There's some of your eagle head shaped. Okay, I don't want to do any more here because I don't want to lose the proportions. But there you go, okay? This is for the 10,000 giveaway. I'll do a video on this maybe next week when I get some time. You happy, Rob? Look how dirty I am! Ah! Okay, so the super tree is done and it's on his mount. Whoever buys this or gets this tree can screw it down. It's a little bit wiggly, but I think it holds pretty good. Super tree. I'll be going to the sale with me on Saturday. I got all these other trees done. So, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 trees. Also, guys, somebody might put this on their lawn, so I painted the back green too. Okay, so yeah. Oh, it's been a long day. But this last tree where I used my grinder and that KUTZALL bit, here you go, guys. Total different style tree. This thing is like, when I made this tree, I was thinking of the wind, like this tree being on a mountain and there's a storm and it just, everything's blowing this way. You know what I mean? So you guys, I know I carve lots of trees and lots of wood spirits and lots of the same stuff over and over and over again, but it's about mixing it up and doing different things of, you know what I mean? Like this is a total different tree. I don't care if anybody doesn't like it. I don't care if anybody doesn't like the super tree. Because if they don't like the super tree, it can go out front of my place so my neighbors get to enjoy it. But I don't know, I think this tree is cool. It's just about, this is yellow cedar, guys. It's just about mixing it up. And being safe is the most important thing. My shop's tidy. I'm still got to deal with some more cottonwood bark. This is only not even a quarter of it, guys. You know, so, and also, I got this nice slab of red cedar that I'm going to be sanding and making a coffee table. I burnt the edge. So you guys, you know, just make some different style trees. Do what you like doing. It's about having fun. I'm calling this tree Jordy having a good time tree. That's what it's called.